Tired of lugging around a brick in your pocket just to pay for a coffee? In this video, we will show you how to ditch the wallet and transfer money from your SoFi account to Apple Pay for quick and easy mobile payments. Let's get started. First, open your SoFi app and tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of your screen. Next, look for the linked accounts or external accounts option, depending on your app version, and tap it. Now you will need to link your SoFi account to Apple Pay. Look for the Add Account button, press it, and select Apple Pay. You will be redirected to your Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your SoFi card. This might involve verifying your card information with a security code sent to you. Once your card is added, you'll see it displayed in your Apple Wallet. It's now ready to be used for payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. That's it. You've successfully linked your SoFi account to Apple Pay. Enjoy the convenience of mobile payments. If you encounter any issues, double-check your card details and your internet connection, and be sure to subscribe for more finance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.